Homeownership embodies not just a significant financial investment, but also a haven where memories are nurtured and futures are dreamed. Recognizing this, White Oak Insurance Services dedicates itself to ensuring your home's structural integrity is protected with comprehensive Type A insurance, also known as dwelling coverage. This tailored guide, enriched with insights from our partnership with Progressive Insurance, aims to illuminate the path to securing your home against the unpredictable. Deciphering home insurance Type A, the bedrock of your home's security. Dwelling coverage, or Type A insurance, stands as the cornerstone of homeowners insurance, safeguarding the physical structure of your home and its integral components. Whether it's the aftermath of a windstorm damaging your roof or an unfortunate fire incident, Type A coverage is designed to shoulder the cost of repairs or rebuilding efforts. This policy extends to attached structures like garages, decks, and built-in appliances, ensuring every part of your home connected to its foundation is covered. The significance of Type A. Insurance for homeowners. The appeal of Type A insurance lies in its fundamental nature, offering straightforward, essential protection for the structural elements of your home. It resonates particularly well with our clients who values the peace of mind it brings to their busy lives. Type A insurance ensures that the very foundation upon which their lives are built remains secure, no matter what challenges may arise. Tailoring your coverage with White Oak's expertise. Choosing the right Type A coverage requires a deep understanding of your home's unique features and value. White Oak Insurance Services excels in this, guiding you through assessing your home's replacement cost, taking into account construction materials, architectural uniqueness, and any custom installations. Our collaboration with providers like Progressive Insurance enables us to find a policy that not only meets your specific needs, but also reflects the true cost of rebuilding your sanctuary from the ground up. Customizing your policy for comprehensive protection. Understanding that one size does not fit all, White Oak encourages homeowners to consider policy enhancements and endorsements that extend beyond basic coverage. This might involve additional protection for high-value items or coverage for perils not typically included, such as flood and earthquake damage. Maximizing value, smart strategies for homeowners. Smart homeownership extends to how you manage your insurance costs. White Oak Insurance Services shares insights on securing discounts, performing preventive maintenance, and conducting periodic policy reviews. These strategies are designed to optimize your coverage while ensuring affordability, reflecting our commitment to delivering value without compromise. Your partner in home protection. Type A home insurance is more than a policy. It's a pledge to safeguard the structural heart of your home. White Oak Insurance Services stands with you, offering expertise, personalized service, and access to quality coverage options through partners like Progressive or Travelers Insurance. We invite you to engage with us, exploring how Type A insurance can fortify your home's foundation against the unforeseen, ensuring your peace of mind for years to come.